things they solve for this country. Just watch this.
As we are heading for election, whether in Africa or that part of the country, in Nigeria, as I speak to you, politicians are already going to the university communities to reach out to the professors, to the academics. And of course, they try to use the federal agencies that INEC will normally use as collation officers and returning officers. They are already reaching out to them. Final point. No credible election can take place in the African continent when, for instance, in Nigeria, you have an electoral act that says that a ballot paper that does not bear the serial number of INEC shall be taken into account. What election are you expecting to happen? Two, we have in the current 2026 Electoral Act a provision that says that a presiding officer, a work collection officer, a returning officer that fails to comply with INEC regulation and guideline under section 133, 38, it shall not be a ground for nullifying election. And furthermore, that such individuals, when those matters are challenged in court, it shall not be necessary. It shall not be necessary to bring them to court. Yet, we are going for 2027 election.
Anybody and everybody that means well for Nigeria, they are still crying, garnishing over the mistake of allowing the APC take over powers and be in charge of the affairs of this country. Either through the iron bedder Muhammadu Buhari, like Mike Igini put it out here succinctly, or through his twin brother, who is even now worse, as it were. And then we said that Jonathan was not a good man. There is nothing we have benefited from the entrance of the APC. From the rule of law collapse to separation of power that is now alien to our democracy, or is it to accountability and fiscal responsibility? Economy is in chaos. Ordinary elections. When I hear how well Jonathan managed the affairs of this country, especially as it regards to election, a man that set in motion anything good, even if he's not going to be the beneficiary of the.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
Now, for the record, I just see this boy post now. I am very, very surprised. You know, understand? I checked the comment. 350 people are commenting. I checked how many hours. 2 hours. 2 hours ago, over 300 something people are commenting. I didn't know I am that relevant. Thank you for making me know that I am very, very relevant. I saw the likes of Fina. They are commenting and laughing. Even this Onome, I don't know what's their name. Should they do skits? I see a comment. I was going, wow. So you people are seeing my video. So you don't like me. I didn't know. Now today I just found out too. You don't understand. And a lot of people go see cry. Now number two, you are calling me failed. Now you're supposed to you be the example of failure. You are the full definition of failure. And I will tell you why. We prove. Now I go to your page. Before you started this Peter and Paul saga, this P-Square saga, this is your page. You can't even post, you know if you cough 300 comments. But when you post me, you get 300 comments in 2 hours. Without saying you don't criticize that, you don't go get again. They don't burn you where. Yeah, you won't say, see, I dare you, bro. I dare you to go and do skits. May you get 300 comments in 2 hours. Over roughly 400 comments. I dare you. Person like me now, even if I cough, I come along and do. God add experience is the best teacher. You will experience it and you feel it. Again, they go there. You don't understand. Even if I just come do. Now, for the record, I go still come there engagement when you don't get. So I am that relevant. You don't understand? My space big for this media. And I get pride on top. Now maybe very dark oracle. You don't understand? My vote is high. You can never compare it with yourself. You don't understand? And I'm happy that you are gaining from me. At least you dey drag me, they get engagement. At least I am part of the people that built your page. You can't be fake. But now part of me, now you build your page. You don't understand? Before I come outside, they drag other people. They say, I'm a bully. I came with valid points. I point what they do when maybe they talk. I point what they do. They did something before I talk. You now, what copy do you? What is
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, Go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
I just remember something now. Very dark man. I'm a Ratel. I love you, but come on, carry your smelling love away. Who need your dirty love? What do you want your love do? Can't give your love to motherless baby home children. They need more love than me. I don't need your love. What do I need your love for? It is better to be feared than to be loved. Who need love? I love very dark man, but on this matter, Grace, Mona ready you brace for impact. I don't tell you now, brace for impact. The war go crazy gone. This one, brace for impact. Now for the record, this is why I like my presido. You don't understand. You know the high truth. Now man of truth. Now man of truth. You know they cover truth. Presido, we active. You don't understand. We there. Drop them. We active with you. Sure. This is why I support you. This is why I don't have my own opinion. You don't understand? Because I know where. You can never hide the truth. It's not possible. You don't understand? And I know so you always get evidence. Evidence is always there. And I believe say all my life of when I know you small, so all the cases I don't experience for some years now. I not say not be all the evidence you get, not be you post online. You don't understand? But you see the truth that needed to be online, you know they hide down. You don't understand? We ready, we active. I say tomorrow no day. You don't understand? For this side, insult no they do us anything. I'm not saying the truth to the talk. Insult no they do us anything. We active. 100. Men balance. You don't understand? So Presido drop him with the weights. You don't understand? And we don't mind me fire the mountain. We mount. We active. We told you people we own this media. When they doubt us. Don't worry. When I go cry. I want to see your tears. Cry for me. Make the tears they flow. You don't understand? We go tell when I will call ourselves king of the media. We own this media. When I go cry tire. I'm a Ratel. I'm a Ratel. I like people. You see this song? Never heard that one come on in math. When I go learn you. When I go learn new thing.
Download Find Am Now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area. Go to findamnow.com and search for it.
So Ratels, make I tell you now before the thing happen. The evidence when I get now for a particular case, bro, when I go need to brace for impact. The attack go crazy. When I go hear and hot. So when I get ready now, you understand? When I will start to unleash those ones, when I go start that one now, everybody go cry. Yeah, everybody go cry. No go lie for now. People they go do more campaign, cancel, unfollow. That one too much, and I cannot ignore it. You understand? You don't be my hand now for how long? I don't look at him. I say, oh boy, this one people no good like him. But to be very honest, it's only one person that can say what you not like, and it's very dark man. To be very honest, so Ratels, Mona brace for impact. People gonna follow me tired. That's number one. Number two, you see, I told you something. See this internet and me the controller. And I'll tell you why. I told you something in my video before about this Mr. P thing. I said, once I stop to talk about them, I don't die automatically. And that's what has happened. Go and check everybody's comment section that's talking about it now. Yesterday, Instablog even post 400 and something comments. Bro, people don't move on. Now all these things, now noise everybody they make. You follow. Bro, 3.2 million followers have not shared. I thought by now I would have lost like 2.5 million followers. You people are so not strong the way you think you are. You don't have the power you think you have, actually, to be honest. Anyways, my point of this video is Ratels. This next phase, it go brutal, gone. No, it go brutal, gone. I don't go lie, the new evidence ready. It don't dey my hand now for a long time. I say make I just the wait, you understand? So now when we say everybody feel say they reverse, time don't reach. I want me to cry more. But guess what? You go still look at as the truth. Because the evidence there. So Ratels, everybody ready when I go fight style out. Comment section, we go leave on. As they throw, boom! We said the now war. But like I said, we control the media, innit? Go and check the followers they didn't move shit. I was so disappointed when I found out I still have 3.2 million followers. I was so disappointed, to be honest. I thought by now I'd have lost I swear to God, even if I lost 500k today.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. so that people go dey buy from you plenty plenty.